Good morning, guys. So Dan from Trading with Dan here. Hope you guys are all well and safe in these markets. I've been warning everybody that things are getting a bit wild in the financial markets at the moment. These are certainly some ridiculous price action we've been seeing in Bitcoin. To go from obviously the mid 5,000s down to 3,600s and then back to mid 5,000s. That is the Bart pattern of doom. Obviously, it's not like a straight up Bart pattern, but you get my point. From start to bottom to finish, it's pretty epic move. You could look at this as some form possibly of capitulation if you want to put a bullish spin on it, and then we can push up from here. Obviously, I don't really know whether that is necessarily the case. The strength of the move down, you can see we're still well under the 15-minute DMT line, and the 25-minute Dominator is still clearly in a sell, although the 15-minute has literally just clicked to buy, which basically will then feed through if price action stays where it is or going up through to the 20 and 25-minute. But like I've told you guys, I'm not taking any bot trades at the moment because the settings that I have and the indicators that we're using aren't tuned in for this kind of volatility, basically. So I just see it pretty much as a gamble. So I'm not into gambling. So there you go. That's my views on that. So when the markets do maybe calm down, volatility maybe comes back to normal, I will definitely be looking to take some trades. All you guys that have been using Dominator and DMT, you've either made a lot of satoshis, or you have not lost any, because there's no point as it put you in any bad trades. So that's all really good. The first and foremost in trading is not to lose money, and then you can then look to try and make money. So obviously the problem BitMEX is down at the moment for maintenance. It says it on their site. They're down, having hardware issues with their cloud service provider, which caused BitMEX requests to be delayed between 2:16 and 2:40. So normal service will resume after 3 UTC. So I'm not sure what time that actually is in our time here, but I'm guessing since it's down now, it will quite possibly be 1 o'clock where I'm in the UK GMT. Not much to look at bot wise. I did have an in-length discussion with you guys yesterday about just the wider financial markets and what's going on. We've had quite a strong bounce in stocks here. Basically the S&P has gone from 2,400 to nearly 2,600, but again, this is the volatility that we have in the markets these days, which is a far cry from the all-time highs that we had 17 days ago on the 20th of February. I will keep you guys updated with when I'm looking to switch my bots back on. I know some of you guys are still trading pretty successfully out there. Scalping the humongous ranges. As long as you keep your stops tight, there are massive gains to be made here. But obviously not with the bots so much, unless you put them on a really low time frame and just keep your risk under control. There are some big moves to try and scalp out. If we kind of have a look at what's going on, if we look at it maybe on a shorter time frame, so say this 5-minute, it's not, the volatility is so high, it's not really working that well for this indicator, DMT at all. I don't even know what time frame you could even really look to do trades with the Dominator, but that's how I like to trade. So if my indicators aren't giving me trades, then I'm not going to be taking trades. So we will see whether this will calm down soon. I don't necessarily expect it to over today and the weekend and maybe Monday, maybe during next week when we have some more clarity in what's generally going on in the world, or clarity on the fact that we don't have any clarity, either of those two. So that's just a quick update for everybody. I will be Potentially doing another video later on today, but not if the markets don't necessarily do too much, because there isn't much for me to report on DMT and Dominator wise. But yeah, so I may speak to you guys soon. If not, it will be tomorrow. So thanks for listening, and I'll speak to you guys soon.